anak ng isang lalaki at tatawagin itong Emmanuel. Ang kahulugay, kasama natin ang Diyos. Nang magising si Jose, sinunod niya ang utos ng anghel ng Panginoon. Pinakasalan niya si Maria. Ang mabuting balita ng ating Panginoon.
Pinupuri ka namin, Panginoong Hesus Kristo.
Hindi po magandang tanghali.
Magandang tanghali.
Ang kwento ng Nativity, the infancy narratives, dalawa ang versions. Yung kay Mateo na binasa natin, at yung isa naman ay kay San Lucas na ginagamit natin sa Pasko at pati na rin sa Simbang Gabi. Ang kaibahan ng dalawang okay ba ang Tagalog? Okay, so I'll use English then. The infancy narratives, there are two versions, Matthew and Luke. The one that we have read now is Matthew, and the other version is Luke. The major difference that we can notice between the two, Matthew, when he talks about the birth of Jesus, the focus is Joseph. In Luke, it is Mary. Now, we are told that Joseph was a just man, so when he came to discover that Mary was pregnant, not his baby, so as a just man, he did not want to shame Mary, so in secret, he wanted to divorce her. That was his plan. But